I've come to play with you again, because the ending's slowly creeping. Dreamed of Timmy while I was sleeping, and the armor that was crafted on the plane still remains within the sound of violence. In troubled streams I swam alone. Big tech energy is my home. Neath the halo of a full moon, hoping we find our Timmy safely soon. When we tried, was stabbed by an angry cannibal that screeched out calls and made the sound of violence. And in the kaiju hall I saw 10 cannibal raids, maybe more. Cannibals attack without speaking. Clym wanders off, still not listening, playing tapes of songs that are never shared, and no one dared to make the sound of violence. Fool said, Megan, you do not know. Final boss like a tree will grow. See my spin attacks that will hit you. Fire burns but it won't save you. But their plans like violent blood drops fell and echoed in the caves of violence. And the cultists bowed and prayed to the cannibals they made. An effigy would have shouted its warning, but one was never made nor forming. And they both said this final boss is overpowered, there's no way that it falls. They died by walls and respawned at the plane with violence.